Okay guys, if you got a house that get flushed by water and you go to low, get one of these pumps called sump pump, and you get this connection right here, and you can put it together with your garden hose, pump the water out. Right, this going to here. This and go to here, and you need this piece. Your water hose, garden hose can connect to this piece right here. That going there. Like that, right there. Okay, you got sump pump working here. This piece, right? You got this piece, right? And you got this. And it should go. Connect it together. Good luck. This is my dad's house. It flood. Go in the house. And it go in the house. So I'll flood it up to here. So we see if we can pump these out for him. Này không có bơm nước này nữa. Đây, kèm này. Cái nó chắc này.
Mua được cái máy này hả?
Tắt nước này. Để trên cái cạnh để trên thảm ới để dưới này phải nước nó sâu quá không được. Ok, này lúc đi điện đi, bao điện gì đó.
Cái máy có chút xíu nữa hả?
Okay. Awesome, man. Look at that.